Well, another shopping haul, two in a couple of days. Can you believe it? I went to the Goodwill and I bought a bunch, well, not a bunch, I buy very little, I guess, in a way. Bought 5 items. Bought two lace tablecloths. Can you believe it? This one is round, and I'm going to be putting it in my living room on one of my round tables, and it will look very pretty because Grandma does like a lot of lace, and it's hard to find lace. I tried last year and had no luck. Luckily, I found it this year at the Goodwill. So they were $6. They were $5.99 a piece. This is a round one, and this one is a long one to go on this table that I'm in my dining room. And it fits perfectly. I will share it with you for Mother's Day because this is my Mother's Day haul. Now, the tablecloth, this one's going for that. I'm going to be doing fairy gardens the whole month of June, and I happen to find this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Ballerina Fairy. Never seen a Ballerina Fairy before, as you can see. She is on her beautiful tippy toes and her beautiful little flowered skirt. Mushrooms along the base and beautiful flowers in a little stone in moss. This is why I bought her, because she was different. She was sort of not too cheap, but not expensive. She ended up costing me $5, so it's not bad. She looks brand new, so whoever owned her has taken very good care of her. Saw no damage of any kind. And I may start looking around for some more secondhand fairies because I haven't bought any Harley thing for my fairy garden in several years, because last year I didn't buy any. And I do need to get some new fairy items, but I want to pick up really good quality ones. I think Grandma is going for quality now on her channel. And this is perfect for that. So that's why I bought her. Now let's go over to our cute little creamer. You know I'm going for more whimsy and things that I enjoy. I also think this might work in with my Mackenzie Child pieces. It's not really an inspiration piece. It just means that it looks like it would go nicely with it. And the beautiful sunflower and daisies and all the beautiful flowers I really liked. And I think it looks really cute for my fairy garden also. So I think we might even use that for our Mother's Day tablescape. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. But it is a really pretty, whimsical piece. I wish I could have found the sugar bowl that probably went with it. But I am happy that I found the creamer. So that was that beautiful piece and why I bought it. Now this one, I paid $5 for. It's a metal piece. It is beautifully done and it's quite large. And you could hang your tea towels on it to dry or hand towels for the bathroom. But I also bought it because of the French design, and I'm going to be doing some French design tablescapes, maybe a bathroom remodel, and maybe the cozy corner. I don't know, maybe too tall for the cozy corner, but we'll see. Maybe I can think of some other ways to use it. Most important thing is I'm trying to buy things and find things that will work with themes that I'm already working on. I have never done a French theme, and this is to go with my French theme. So even though I don't want to keep spending so much money, I want to zero in on things that I really want to, that I have not done in the past. And the French theme is something new that I have not done or ever tried. And I'm going to add that to that. And I already have some other pieces you haven't seen, so I'm getting ready. And I don't know about the fairy in my Mackenzie Child Mother's Day theme, but I don't know. Maybe the creamer might work. What do you think? You know, I really do like it, but you know what I'm thinking might even look cuter for my Mackenzie Childs? Think maybe I could use that for a little tiny, tiny flower arrangement. Let's see if I can do that. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I really love it with that. What do you think? Give me your opinion at the bottom. You know Grandma loves hearing your opinions. I think that will make a super cute little flower arrangement to work right in between those beautiful sunflowers I already have. I don't know. I really like it. You know Grandma, she's crazy, but I do like it. I like whimsical things and I like things that are different. And I think I really enjoy it. Don't know if I'm leaving my Ballerina Fairy there though. I don't think she's working. But she might. Who knows? But I honestly think I'm leaving the little whimsical creamer with some flowers in it. That does work for me. And I think it looks really great. Thank you guys for all your comments and all your help. Well, you saw what I got at the Goodwill and what I'm going to do with it. Well, this is the end of my Goodwill haul. My beautiful French piece for my hanging my towels from. My cute French fairy, all dressed in her finest, ready for a ballet. And the cute little creamer, super, super cute. And now it's also going to be a vessel for a flower arrangement. Let me know what you think. And of course, I picked up 2 beautiful lace tablecloths. And those are, for me, have been very difficult to find. And because Grandma likes to do a lot of Mother's Day tablescapes, English teas, I need some lace tablecloths. So I'm happy I have a few now. And of course, Grandma does do Alice in Wonderland every year. And we want to make my Alice in Wonderland bigger and better every year too. Well, I hope you enjoyed my second haul for Mother's Day. And of course, we added a few other pieces in here for my French theme I'm going to be doing pretty soon. And of course, in June, all my fairies. But when you run across things you know you're going to need or use in the future, pick them up, especially if you get a good price. I thought $5 for the towel holder was a good price. It's all metal, it's not plastic, and it's good quality. And of course, the fairy was $5, and she's as cute as can be, and she looked brand new. And my little creamer was $3, and I thought he was so cute also. Well, hugs and kisses to all of my awesome friends if you enjoyed this post. And don't forget, this is a sneak peek at some of the things you may see on my Mother's Day tablescape. May 4th, don't forget to come and join us. May 4th is going to be a beautiful display of gorgeous tablescapes for Mother's Day. You know Grandma, hers will be a little bit of whimsy, and it will be a Mackenzie Child's Mother's Day tablescape. Don't forget, if you join in, to make sure to have some sunflowers and to add a butterfly. Doesn't it really add a lot? I think it does. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy to all of her awesome friends and followers. Thank you for coming by and checking out what Grandma's been buying lately and getting some ideas what you're going to be seeing pretty soon. Get ready. There's going to be a lot more coming your way. Tomorrow is going to be another shopping haul. Oh no, another shopping haul? Well, of course. I got to get ready for Mother's Day. So tomorrow we are going to be sharing with you a bunch of Mackenzie Child inspirational pieces that are not real, but they look similar, or they would work into the theme. You know Grandma, she's been working hard, buying lots and lots of pretty things for her Mackenzie child, tablescapes and themes she's going to be doing in the future. You're going to be seeing a lot of them, and I am so proud to share them with you. Bye-bye for now.